Room 4707. This is a luxury junior suite ocean view with Diamond Club. And it is luxury the moment you walk in. Wow. That soaker tub, beautiful. This does come with a 1 king bed or 2 queen configuration. Take a look at that soaker tub in a minute, but let's look at the rest of the room. Lovely sofa. That balcony looks spectacular. Got a desk area, a place for your luggage, little amenity bar as well, drawers. But look at this bathroom. My goodness, that soaker tub is absolutely fantastic. Double vanity. And we'll step inside here. And you have dual rainwater shower heads, handheld nozzle, little bench. There's that beautiful soaker tub. Lots of storage in this closet. And briefly, the toilet area with the fully closing door. But let's go check out that beautiful balcony now and that stunning ocean view. Oh, that beach looks fantastic. You've got table and 2 chairs. And you can get a great look at the resort with the lazy river, the water slides, that main pool. Well, that's what I came for right there. That beautiful beach, stunning ocean view. Absolutely love it. Head back in. This is a luxury junior suite ocean view with Diamond Club here at Royalton Blue Waters.